Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. Today I'm here to share a card for hashtag Satmarn Makes, hosted by the sweet and talented Jill Norwood. Um, I wanted to do more videos for this hashtag, but I'm also doing a couple other hashtags, so I don't know. I feel that if I'm going to do something for a hashtag, it should be for that one hashtag. I know people have done multiple hashtags on a video. I just think that's not fair. Maybe, I mean, that's just me. I guess maybe I need to get over it. Just add them to your videos, Therese. Anyway, but today is special because I am sharing my Easter cards for 2024. And I have to say that when Tim Holtz um, shared this stamp set, I knew I knew that I was going to use him because he's just so perfect. It's Mr. Rabbit, and there's the number. If everybody, I'm sure everybody has already seen this stamp set, and I've seen so many people create with him. Tim Holtz did an amazing. I think it was a card or if it was a tag, but it was gorgeous. And he used a metal piece, like a ribbon on his lapel. It was just, you have to go see his video. I'm sure everybody has seen it, but it's amazing. So this was, I had to get this, and if I didn't receive this in time, I always had this stamp set that I bought recently, just in case. And I love the bold sentiments, Happy Easter and Hippity Hoppity. So those are really cute to use. Maybe I'll use that next year. Okay, so here is my Easter card. I made about 15 cards this year. It gets bigger and bigger, I guess. It used to be 12 and now it's 15. But anyway, I don't mind. I love creating these cards. It's daunting, but I do like making them. So I layered up some pattern paper. This is an A2 size card. I distressed the edges with some vintage photo very lightly. I distressed the pattern paper from Hobby Lobby with the Tim Holtz distress tool. I stamped him out and I colored him with metallic watercolors. And this one has lots of pigment in it, and um, it just turned out really cool. And I used different browns or bronze. I think they're bronze, and colored his eye, his bow tie, and his jacket. I try to use pastel colors, but he really stands out from the background. The background, I used everything off of that stamp set except the advertisement. And I used these ink pads from Stampin' Up. And these are old, probably retired stamp sets, but I still use them. They're still good. They still have ink in them because I store them this way. Some people store them this way and they dry up, but um, yeah, I've had this for at least 20 years. I mean, oh my gosh, that's a long time. And it's still ink. I mean, I have the re-inkers, but I've never re-inked them. So anyway, so I stamped the background with those stamps, and I didn't care if it was perfect or not. It didn't have to be. I added a paper flower. It's an old EK Success paper flower. I think this is one of two punches in the set. I can't think of the other flower punch, but I love these punches. Added a little yellow sequence because it is, uh, you know, Easter and with flowers, and I wanted to put that on his lapel. And that's it. Oh, and I think I said that I distress the edges with some vintage photo. Inside, I put Easter blessings. It's a dollar stamp from Michael's way back when. And then I used another stamp that I got from Michael's that wasn't a dollar. Or was it? It might have been a dollar. I don't know. Because their dollar bins are not completely dollar anymore. It's a range of different prices now. Um, but back in the day, everything in that section used to be a dollar. 99. It wasn't a 99 cents. No, it was a dollar. And this came in a set of four. Four? I can't see now. Yeah, I think it was 4 or 6 stamps. So it was a little bit more than a dollar, I think. And then at the end, I sprayed some glitter dust, iridescent glitter dust. And I just think he's just adorable, and he's sparkling with that glitter. You can't really see it, but it is pretty. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a wonderful Easter, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye now.